Hello lovelies, how are you today? And welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon and I'm the sole proprietor of SAEH Body Butter. And I hope you enjoy the next video. Thank you. Hello lovelies, how are you today? I'm going to be working in Cricut Design Space using one of my favorite fonts, which is the Samantha font. And I will also be working with the Glyph feature. So the Samantha font is a paid font. I think I paid $17 for mine 2 years ago. And the Glyph program is called, I think it's High Logic Main Type, and it's a downloadable program. And they have a paid version and a free version. And I use the free version and it works for me. So let me share my screen so that we can get started. So I'm gonna have to bounce back and forth between Cricut Design Space and the Glyph program. So it's relatively easy. You use your text box, which is located on the left-hand side, and you type in the word, whatever you want it to be. So I'm typing my name, and then I'm gonna highlight it, and I'm gonna go to the font drop-down box. And since this is a font that I added to my computer, it will be located under the system feature. And like I said, it's the Samantha font. So there you have it. I'm gonna make it a little bigger so that we, or me, can see better. So what I'm gonna do is double click on it, and I'm gonna go over to the letter that I want to change, which is the S. Alrighty, so let me stop sharing. Cricut Design Space, and I'm gonna go over to the other program that I was mentioning. For some reason, my computer is slow today. So bear with me. Okay, so this is the program that I was telling you about. It's High Logic Main Type. And as you can see, you can pay for this program, or I like to use the free version. So I'm gonna click on Use Free Edition. And then you click Close. So you come over to the right-hand corner up here where it says Quick Search, and you type in the font that you're dealing with. So I'm gonna type in Samantha. And as you see over on the right-hand side, it has different curly cues and symbols and numbers. And they even have words already formatted out for you. So as I scroll up, I'm going to look for the capital S. Let's see. All righty, so you right click on it and then click copy to clipboard, and then you select S. Okay, so that has copied it in your buffer, and then I'm gonna go in Cricut Design Space and do a Control V to paste it there. So I'm gonna stop sharing this screen and start back sharing Cricut Design Space so that you can see the results. Okay. So I'm going to do a Control V. One second. For some reason, my computer wanted to do an update of some sort. And it's so slow. Let me go back. All righty. Control V. There we go. I don't know what the problem was. I guess when it did that update, it erased me pasting the S. So I had to go back and copy it again. Anywho, so as you see, we have a more decorative S. So I'm going to go over and delete the N. And I'm going to go back into main type and look for an N. Okay, so we go into the lowercase letters. In some alphabets, they may have 3 or 4 options, and some may have as many as 15. So it just depends. All righty, I like this N. So again, you right click on it, say copy to clipboard, and then say yes. All righty, let's go back to Cricut Design Space and paste it there. Control V. For some reason, I think when I go in between each program, it doesn't accept my original cut. So there we go. Now that may look a little funny because the letter is touching, but that's not a problem. I will ungroup my word and move the S over a little. Or I can make that a little shorter. Let me move my S out the way. All righty, let me group that together. Move it over to the right a little, then bring my S back. Now we have enough space. I'm gonna highlight it, change it to red, and there you have it. So I'm gonna go back over to main type and bring over another design. And you have to have some type of text in order to replace it with. So I couldn't go over to main type, copy something there, and paste it into Cricut Design Space. You have to have an alphabet or a number or something already visible in order to exchange it with. Now let me reduce my screen. Let me grab this and move it over some so we can see it better. And that's basically it. You know, it's basically like a cut and paste feature. You type your text in Cricut Design Space, and then you delete which letter you want to change. You go over into main type and click on right click on it to copy it in your clipboard, and then you come over in Cricut Design Space and paste it. So let me stop sharing this and go back over to main type, just so we can look through the features one more time. And as you see, I mean, it has hearts. I mean, a lot of different designs and stuff that you can add to your graphics to jazz it up a little bit. And like I said, some alphabets, like this is the Z. It has all these different versions of a Z, you know, but some alphabets may only have a few. So it just depends on what you like. And so there are other fonts out there that have the glyph feature, and you can use this program to work with those. You just type it up in the right-hand corner, whatever font you have, and look for the font, you know, so that you can pull up the glyph feature. And that is basically it. So I'm gonna go back over to Cricut Design Space so we can see the final product. And that's basically it. That's how you work with glyphs using the Samantha font. It's really easy. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.